Oh, have you tried the Hello toothpaste? It's actually really good. And I absolutely love Oral-B. My boyfriend and I, we use it all the time. So good. So Oral-B, please sponsor me, as well as Neutrogena. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Runs Wild. So we just got here and I am about to get my hair did by my friend Sharita. So this should be interesting. Morning. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna tell her you in here talking smack about it.
So we are in the salon. Morning.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Good.
She's not here yet. You can go back and have a seat.
Oh, I don't know where. It's my first time. So just go straight back.
Straight, make a left, and make it right down the hole back there. I think I got the TV on already.
Oh, thank you. So we are in the salon, waiting for Sharita. It's nice. I like the little sign on the wall. Enjoy the little things in life, for one day you will look back and realize they were the big things. Oh, that's so beautiful, that quote. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait for her to get here. Let me text her. This is so cute. I wonder if she made that wig. I don't like Fox News. It's like everyone in Atlanta watches Fox News. Like, just doesn't fail. I'll be back. I'm talking about, guys. It's so cute. I'm gonna wait until she gets here to act. Alright, guys, so she is done with the braiding process. And there's a net that she put on. We bout so weave my hair. I do my hair, toe, shake my nails. Baby, how you doing? Good as hell. Hi guys, so I have just finished getting my hair done. I did like a cute side bob. I absolutely love it. So I just need to put some makeup on and go out. Yep. Alright guys, so I'll be back on here later. I'm going to get ready to head out, and I will see you guys soon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl it, do like the beach wave curls. I love the way that she did the install and the cut. However, I'm not really feeling it straight, so I'm gonna use my wand curler and see what it looks like, and I'll show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this hairstyle. I did a little bit of this like curl look, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks so nice, very neat, looking like a boss. Like a snack. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. And don't forget, your beauty runs wild. Love you guys.